Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect GoDaddy domain to the Odoo. So it will be very simple tutorial, so follow me. First of all, you have to log into your Odoo. After that, you have to click on this profile icon. From there, you have to choose My Database. Click on that. After that, you will get to see your database. If you haven't created the database, you can just simply create from here. And in my case, I want to connect GoDaddy domain to this database. Click on that. From here, you can go to domain names. Now here you can see use my domain or get a new domain. If you don't have a domain name, you can just simply click on this. If you have a domain name, just click on this. In our case, we are connecting the GoDaddy domain to Odoo, so click on this. From here, you have to copy that domain you bought in GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy. From here, you can search your domain for purchasing. Simply, I just will click the random domain name. For example, in my case, I want this one. I want this domain name. Just simply make it yours. Click on that, adding to in my cart, and just simply go and purchase. After purchasing that domain, you have to simply select that, copy that domain, and from there you have to go. First of all, you have to type www. And then paste it. Then after that, you have to verify. Right now, I don't purchase this domain in GoDaddy, but in your case, I am assuming that you have purchased the domain name. So just simply click on that and paste it. But you have to have two requirements. First of all, you have to create CNAME record www.w.com pointing to techsurfshopping.odoo.com. You have to just simply change the DNS settings in the domain in your GoDaddy website. And if you want to use the naked domain, you need to redirect your domain.com to www.domain.com. So for that you can watch my other tutorials. Just simply go there and just see. I have explained, I have done that earlier. So you can just simply redirect your specific domain towards the specific domain. So after that, after verifying, after redirecting CNAME records, you can just simply confirm and it's done. And it will uh, set up your domain, or it will connect your GoDaddy domain to the Odoo website. So this is how you can add any domain you bought in other websites. So you can just simply connect here. So if this video found you helpful or informative, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.